Hi guys, you might know me from Coins Rhino, the old coins and short form videos. I just wanted to say this one thing. I got epiphany this morning. I got robbed last night, this morning actually. It's not a pretty good experience. Now me sitting and thinking that my life passed in front of my eyes made me think life is more than what you actually think of. You'd appreciate it more after things has happened. At a moment of action, I got hurt, and in my mind head I thought I was dead. But when I got home, it was only like a scar, so not that bad. But still, if I sit here now and think it could have been worse. Got a daughter that me and my mom, father's raising on our own. And guys, I just wanted to say this thing is be careful. Don't do things you think you're capable of sometimes. Sometimes you're not. Things might have been worse. I could not have been here now. But yeah, enjoy life, man. Appreciate it. And thanks. Thumbs up, eh? Right now at Coins.